Welcome, friends. Today I'll be unboxing the May 2020 My Monthly Hero Arts kit. And I will also do a sneak peek of a card that I created. The May kit includes a 6x8 clear stamp set, 7 coordinating frame dies, 7 envelope art icon fancy dies, 3 Karen Deco brush metallic markers in gold, pink, and blue, 5 white A7 envelopes, 5 white A2 envelopes. There are also several add-ons for the kit. Now let's take a look at these Corinne markers. They are a beaut. Ooh, you can go thick or you can go thin, but the metallic in these markers are awesome. Can't wait to paint with those. And now for the sneak peek. I made this beautiful mailbox card using stamps from the kit and dies from a previous Hero Arts kit. In my next video, I will show you exactly how I made it. It was actually really easy. So excited about this. It fits nicely into an A2 envelope and makes a grand presentation. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and come back for the next video.